Hi everyone, I'm IESPN Wilson. Today I'm going to introduce our new edge computing system, the Tank AI0 Q370. It integrates the Intel Coffee Lake and Coffee Lake Refresh CPU and features rich I/O, multiple expansion, slot, and hot swap HDMI support rate mode. It's a great edge computing system with powerful performance and flexibility expansion. Now, let me go through the detailed features and applications of the Tank AI0. Now, as Industrial 4.0's computing booming, it's not just meaning how to put your machine together, but how they can communicate smartly to run your production line with more efficiency and accuracy. As you know that people nowadays are looking deeper in the Industrial 4.0, going more for AI, machine vision, and deep learning. This technology requires a large amount of data to get the analysis done. Edge servers are physically close to the system or application that are creating the data being stored on or used by the server. So basically, edge servers play a role to make a computation decision ahead of time, sending only filtered data to the cloud, saving both time and money. Our Tank AI0 could work as an awesome edge server. It has high-performance CPU, rich I/O, and contain multiple expansion slots for the add-on cards such as Mustang AI acceleration cards and PoE card to run AI inference models. Assist your cloud to reduce workload and get the data organized and filtered fast. What is a new system design trend? Firstly, let me brief expansion the AI edge computing market, which is estimated to grow rapidly to the future. The edge AI computing market is expected to grow from the 610 million units in 2019 to reach 1.56 billion units by 2024, and at the CAGR of 20.64% during the forecast period. The key driver for the market growth to growing demand for low latency and real-time processing on edge device and the emergencies of AI coprocessing for edge computing. Furthermore, underlying opportunity for the edge AI hardware market include the growing demand for edge computing in IoT and dedicated AI processors for on-device image analysis. Second part is multiple lane port design. It's inexpensive, high reliable, and easy to install and maintain. Therefore, our new product, Tank AI0, is equipped with the triple lane ports supporting high-speed communication between the device and easy estimate into the internet and extranet for security. Third part is multiple expansion slot for the add-on cards. He integrated 4 PCIe slots, including 1 PCIe by 16, 1 PCIe by 1, and 2 PCIe by 4. User could install the card they need, such as graphic card, capture card, PoE, or AI acceleration card, to enhance the system function and performance. And it allows system to be customized, upgrade, and repair for faster time and to market. Full part is for 2.5-inch HDMI with RED 01510 support. It could recover the data when HDMI is damaged and protect a large amount of data to analyze to edge side. What are the others onboard expansion slots in the Tank AI0? The Tank AI0 reserves up to 120 watts internal power to add-on cards. User can install the AI acceleration card and PoE card at the same time to make it an AI inference system with PoE function. Multiple expansion slots are available on board for different expansion demands, such as PCIe Mini for I/O expansion, dual M.2 key for storage, and M.2 key for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The Tank AI0 adopts Intel Coffee Lake and Coffee Lake refreshed CPU. It features HDMI and DP DisplayPort, and triple lane port rich I/O interface such as 6 USB ports and 4 hot swap hardy bays supporting RAID 01510. Dual power inputs supporting wide voltage from the 9V to 36V. Wide range operating temperature from -20° to 60°. The Tank AI0 has high performance and flexibility expansion. It could be added a variant peripherals card based on customer requirement to reduce customization time and cost. It is suitable to be used as an edge server and AI inference system in smart factory. This is the end of this brief introduction of IEI new edge computing system, the Tank AI0. We hope you have enjoyed this session. You can also follow IEI's other social media accounts to get the latest product information and company news. Don't forget to click like for this video and subscribe our channel for more exciting updates. See you soon. Bye.